Hey guys, thanks for joining the channel. I'm here with my Harley Davidson Pan America Special. I've got some new low rider foot pegs to go on. I'm hoping, well, they're certainly wider than the original pegs. Didn't have too much trouble with the original pegs, to be fair, when standing up, but the lone rider ones offer some fore and aft rotation on the peg, which is controlled by different rubbers that you can put inside. So check out Lone Rider to look at the product. They look pretty good. I believe they come as standard with the green inserts in, which is medium flex. So I'll say I'll get on with that. I weigh 210 pounds, so I'll see how they get on, whether they're too lightweight or whether they feel right under the foot. The idea being that as you go for your brake when you're off road, I suppose mainly when you're off road, then the peg should go fore and aft, so you're not searching for the brake pedal, or I suppose the gear change pedal as much. So let's have a look at the contents of the box. I'm not going to do a big reveal because I'm sure there's videos out there already and we've all seen unboxing before. Nobody really cares, I don't think. So let's have a quick look anyway. Okay, so let's have a look. So it says Harley Davidson Type 1. Have a quick look inside. Scan for camera for instructions. All nice quality material as usual from Lone Rider. The packaging's great. So let's have a look inside. We've got a foam insert with the pegs in there. So we've got this grip for when you're off road, which is removable. Looks like there's 3 screws that hold that on, so if that wears down you can replace that. Not sure if there's more aggressive ones you can get if needed, but we'll see. They seem, I mean, they're rounded but they seem quite aggressive, so that looks good. And then you got this hard rubber plastic insert for when you're on the road, which apparently just clips out. Yeah, so that's pretty easy, and then just leaves the bare peg. I believe you undo this nut and then the peg slides off the mounting piece, and that's where we can change the different tensions of the rubber inside. So that's the pegs. Oh, we've got some of the goodies in there. So we've got stickers, gloves and cleaning materials, grease and thread glue, some small tools for releasing this piece, this grip around the edge, some little tweezers I'm assuming for the inserts, and there are different coloured inserts. So there's a whole raft of different settings you can do with these. Like I say, I'm just going to leave the green in for now and see how I get on. There's no point in changing them because I don't know how it's going to perform, so I'd just be wasting my time. And a nice little chrome vanadium ratchet spanner, which is nice to get. Yep, so that's the size for the nut in there, so it's pretty good. So I probably just need some basic tools to get the existing peg off. So we'll get set up with a camera and let's get on with it and see how easy this job is. Okay, so let's have a look at this foot peg. Not sure what holds this pin in. So look. Okay, so it's a little spring-loaded pin then that holds the peg on. So let's just squeeze that in. I think the peg should just push out. Hopefully the other camera's picking this up. So it's, oh yeah, that's simple. So it is spring-loaded, so obviously need to be mindful of that. It's under tension. Typically it doesn't just want to slide out. Try that again. Well, the problem is the peg's going to expand as it goes through each different piece and try and lock again, which is good because it means you're not just going to lose it. But yeah, it looks like it's done it again. It's pretty straightforward, so yeah, just got a little spring loaded. Didn't actually see the hole in the foot peg there for the spring to go in, so it does actually just slot in there. And then obviously there's one in the frame as well, it needs to go in. Makes more sense now with the pin. Yeah. And that's it, as easy as that. So in the end it was really easy. So there are spring location holes in the foot peg, as you'd expect. And a really quick, easy job in the end. So it's just a case of take the spring out, remember which way around it is, and put it back in exactly the same way. That was the quickest job ever. So if you look at this, it does have a little bit of twist. It's probably a little bit of play, that, to be fair, rather than the rubber's actually twisting, I think. It's just a little bit of play on the pin. So that'd be interesting to see how we get on with that. So little 5 minute job really. Same on the other side, but yeah, surprisingly quick and easy job. So I'll see you next time when we've got something else to fit to the Pan America special. See you guys soon.